Your Shopify store's conversion tracking is probably wrong in 2026. Customer events changed. Checkout extensibility broke old setups. Your server-side connection may not be handling the duplication correctly. In this video, I will show you the complete 2026 tracking rebuild for Google Ads Meta CAPI and GA4. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Today, Shopify Complete Tracking Rebuild for 2026 Customer Events Setup, Shopify Order Way Up to Step Deduplication, and the GCR Lead Challenge across the checkout domain. Shopify made significant changes to how tracking works in their checkout and post-purchase flow. Checkout.liquid templates are deprecated on Shopify Plus. Checkout extensibility is now the only way to customize checkout. Customer Events API, web pixels replace direct script injection. These pixels fire in a sandbox type frame, causing delays and missed events. The reliable 2026 setup uses two layers. Layer 1, Shopify Customer Events for browser signals. Layer 2, Shopify Order Hub to Step for reliable delivery. The duplication using order_ID prevents double counting. Both layers are needed for real-time signals and 100% conversion delivery. Step 1, Shopify Web Pixel. In Shopify Admin, go to Settings, Customer Events and add Custom Pixel. In the Pixel code editor, use Shopify's Analytics.subscribe API to push purchase events to the data layer and meta pixel with a unique event ID. Step 2, Shopify Order Webhook to Step. Create a JSON webhook for order creation in Shopify notifications. In your step server container, create a custom client to parse the payload and fire reliable server-side conversion tags. Step 3, Duplication. Set the transaction underscore ID, order underscore ID, and event underscore ID as the duplication keys across both layers. Step 4, GCL ID preservation. Use the order webhook to look up the original GCL ID from a server-side cookie to fix domain attribution gaps. Test your setup, check GA4 debug view and step server preview to confirm events arrive reliably and deduplication is active. Results: reliable firing even if tabs are closed. Ad blocker resistance and perfect attribution with enhanced conversions. If your Shopify tracking is broken after the 2026 changes, message me on WhatsApp or book a free 30-minute audit. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first. Track revenue, not just clicks.